Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Miata, and let me show you what I got. Got some headlights. So we're going to do the normal Jeep headlight that everybody does because it comes with the same plug. But what we're going to do different is we're actually going to have the halo work. We're not just going to have the light. We want the turn signals to work and the halo to work. So we're going to be using these. So let's get to it. Alright, so what you want to do is just get a piece of cable and strip the ends. Once you strip the ends, I double it, I turn it around and make a U because these ends that I have are too big for the size wire, so I just make it double and then I just push it in here and then cramp it close. Get some of this heat shield ducting. You just want to make it watertight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect it. Then you're going to get your tape. So it's going to look something like this when you're done. It's not going to look the prettiest, but it'll work. So now let's go to the car. So now you're going to have two wires coming out. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to tap into these with some wire tappers. I'll leave a link in the description for these. And then you just want to tap into them. So we have a green and a red. I'm gonna go with green with green, red with red, and see what happens. Alright, so it is green to green, and then the red to the red. And then what you're going to want to do is just plug it in. It's the same plug as the Jeeps. And you're going to run this cable here, and this one as well. And just throw this back here. Now let's get the ring. You're gonna get the ring, and what you're gonna want to do is just find which way it fits. So now that we have the light in there, you're gonna want to try to and red with red. Alright guys, and that is the final product with the working halo and the turn signals. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, ride safe, and I will see you in the next one.